up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, we are in part 19 of the series where I'm sharing my shoe collection, 25 pairs at a time. Now, in today's video, I do have a lot more than 25 pairs to share with you because I wanted to do all of my DIY shoes in one video. So you're going to see shoes that either have something wrong with them that got damaged over time, or I bought them damaged already and knowing that I was going to do a DIY with them, or they were purchased just to DIY because I like the style of the shoe and they were extremely cheap. So those are the kinds of shoes that you're going to see in today's video. And then next week, you guys are going to see all of my extreme shoes or shoes that are just my favorites in general. I do have, I think, a couple of DIY pairs in next week's video, then all of my crazy extreme shoes that I own. So that one is also going to have more than 25 pairs, but that video is going to close out the series. And then next week, or the week after that, I will have a video showing my entire shoe collection, start to finish. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this doesn't include all of my shoes because I do have some more DIY shoes in my craft shed, and they're like way back in the back and stacked in back. I just didn't want to go through all those. So I do have those, but you guys will see those in upcoming videos. We're just going to deal with the shoes that I have in my shoe room right now. So that is going to be my shoe collection for the shoe collection series. So anyways, those are the videos that you can be expecting coming up after that. And then after I do the whole video where it's my shoe collection start to finish, you're also going to see a lot of shoe DIYs, but you're also going to see some storage ideas for your shoes. I'm going to kick it off with boot storage ideas, and then I'm going to show you like my shoe room and how I store my shoes. So look forward to all of those videos, guys. I'm going to keep the shoe thing rolling, and these DIYs and repair videos that I have coming up for you guys, trust me, you don't want to miss them. All right, guys, that was a lot. We have a lot to cover today, so without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so here's a sneak peek at the 45 pairs I'll be sharing with you today. And as I said in my intro, these are all of my DIY shoes. So there's something wrong with them, or I bought them specifically to DIY, or they got damaged at some point along the way. Nonetheless, these are all shoes that I plan to do something with, or they need repaired in some way, shape, or form. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this first pair here I bought at Walmart for $1. Now my thought was when I bought these was, can I turn these into heels? Now I don't know if that's a possibility or not, but I thought it was something I would want to try, and for $1, why not, right? Okay, so these next three pairs I also bought at Walmart for $1, and I honestly don't know what I was thinking. I hate flip-flops. I hate that thing that goes in between your toes. I'm not sure if I was thinking maybe these would be great for the beach if I can take that center thing out, if I ever make it to the beach again one day. I'm 45 years old. I've only been to the beach one time in my life, and it was great. I loved it, but I know that heels are definitely not something you can really wear comfortably on the beach. So who knows what I was thinking with these. I'm sure I'll think of some fun DIY for them, but yeah, that's those three pairs. Okay, so these ones here I've also bought at Walmart for $1. Now my thought with these ones was also to try and turn them into heels. So I wanted some high heel tennis shoes type things. I don't know, guys. Is that a possibility? We're gonna have to see. For $1, I'm definitely willing to give it a try. Okay, so this pair here was filmed after I filmed that video because I found them after the fact. So I just wanted to go ahead and include them, and the lighting's all off because I filmed it when it was dark outside. But nonetheless, guys, I got this pair here at Gabe's for $1, and it's missing the tassels that go on the front part of the shoe. So my thought was I can probably easily make some tassels, and that's my plan for these ones. Okay, this pair here I've had for a while. I think I got these at Gabe's, and I'm going to show you three different styles of a very similar shoe. So I have this blue and pink one, and honestly, guys, I'm really not sure what I plan to do with these, but I'm definitely going to DIY them in some way, shape, or form because where I had them stored next to some paint, and the paint exploded. So they have splatters of red paint on them, and it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look intentional. So I'm going to have to think of a way that I can fix them. You can't really see the splatters of paint apparently when I'm modeling them, but trust me, guys, they're there. So I'll definitely be doing some DIYs with these, and I really don't have a plan for them yet, but I definitely don't want to get rid of them because they're comfortable, so we're going to figure something out. Okay, this pair here I've had for a while now. I used to wear them just as they are and I absolutely love them. But now the stuff is starting to peel off, but the bones of the shoe is still really good. So my thought is I'm going to go ahead and do something to cover up all of that peel off stuff. And I have another pair here in the brown shades and I think that they are so cute. They're so fun. The heels are a little low for me, but I honestly think that I can do something fun with these. So that's why I went ahead and hung on to them because the bones are still good. The structure of the shoe is great. The outside's just coming off. Okay, this pair here I found at Goodwill, and I know they're cute the way that they are, and most people probably wouldn't touch them, but I don't like the way that very front strap part is fitting me. I don't know, it just doesn't feel very comfortable, so I'm definitely going to be doing something with that very front part of the shoe. Don't know what yet, but I will figure it out. Okay, this pair here, I love it the way that it is, but it's falling apart. It's coming apart at the seams right in the front part of the shoe. Now, this is an easy fix, something that I will definitely show you guys in an upcoming video, but I definitely want to keep these. I love them the way they are. I'm just going to repair them so that I can actually wear them. Okay, this pair here came in a mystery box, and they're not even my size, guys, but they do fit me. They're not cute at all to me right now. They're just not my style, not something that I would wear. The heel's way too low, blah, 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 blah. Gotta figure something out for these. I just don't know what yet. Okay, this pair here I got at Gabe's, and honestly, I wore them quite a while just the way that they are. But now they're starting to scuff up and things are starting to happen to them. So I'm going to go ahead and do some type of fun DIY with these ones. Again, not sure what yet, but I'll definitely figure it out. Okay, this pair here I got at Gabe's, and I don't know, they're just really not my style. I don't like the colors, so on and so forth. Love the heel height though. I think these would be a great candidate to do like a shoe bakery style shoe with. So that is my plan for these ones. I'm definitely going to do something along those lines with these particular shoes. Okay, this pair here I got in a Poshmark mystery box, and the only part that needs repaired on these ones is the inside part of the shoe. Now, obviously, they're way too big for me, but my intention at the time was to repair the inner part of the shoe and resell them. But I don't know. Now maybe I'll just go with the challenge of trying to make them fit me. We'll have to see. Okay, this one I got at Gabe's as well. Now, I like them the way they are. Actually, I think they're kind of cute, but they're not very comfortable to wear because my foot likes to slide out of the shoe a lot. So I definitely want to do something along the lines of a strap in the back so that I can wear the shoes comfortably. Okay, this pair here I got from eBay, and I definitely purchased them with the intention to do a DIY with them. This was another pair I was thinking along the lines of a shoe bakery style shoe, but now I have a different plan for these, and I'm not going to share that plan with you guys at this time, but you're definitely going to be seeing it in the very near future. Okay, this pair here also came in a Poshmark mystery box. I definitely don't have a plan for these, but I like the way that they look. I just feel that they need something else. I don't know what yet, but I definitely need to do something to these to make them something, I don't know, exciting and more amber-like. Okay, this pair here I found at Gabe's, and I wore them for quite a long time just the way that they are. I think that they're cute, but now they're starting to peel. The black part of the shoe is starting to peel off, so I definitely need to do something to repair that so that I can continue to wear them. I do not have a plan for these yet, but I'm sure I'll figure something really cute out. Okay, this pair here, I don't know, I think I bought it and I kind of sort of liked it, but now I definitely want to do a DIY with it. I just think that orange is just not the right shade for me. So I'm definitely going to do something with these. Again, with a lot of these, I'm really not sure what yet, but I'll definitely do something really cute and fun. Okay, this pair here was a duplicate from one of my chic shoe hauls. Now, sometimes they don't send you the colors that you actually order. They just send you duplicates of the exact same shoe. So anyways, I mean, it's just not worth the hassle of sending them back. So I'm just going to go ahead and do something fun with these ones to make them different from ones that I already have. Okay, this pair here, I absolutely love, love, love these. I've worn them to death. But as you can see, the strap on the one that's on the right side of the screen completely came out. I have it sitting up there on the step so that you guys can see I still have it. Of course, my intention is to go ahead and repair these so that I can continue to wear them. Okay, this pair here I got at Gabe's, and I did not notice they were two different sizes when I bought them. Awesome, right? See that one that I'm shaking? That's the one that's too big, and then the other shoe is the one that actually fits. What is my plan to fix these? I don't know, guys. I will definitely think of something because I think they're super cute, but I definitely need to make sure that one shoe fits. Okay, this pair here came from Gabe's, and I think that they're cute the way that they are, but unfortunately the brown part is starting to just peel off all over the place. But again, the bones of the shoe are still really good. So I think I'm just going to do a total revamp on these. I really don't have a plan yet. Shocker. That's been the theme of the video, but I will definitely figure it out. Okay, this pair here is from Chic Shoes, and they sent me 2 of the same size shoes. Awesome, right? So I have a really awesome, and I do mean an awesome, super cool, fun DIY for these. I cannot wait to share that with you guys. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. You're just going to have to wait to find out. Okay, this pair here is very similar to a yellow pair that I showed you earlier on. And this is just the pink version of that pair. Now, I'm not really sure why the pink pair is in the DIY pile and the yellow pair is not. Nonetheless, I definitely plan to do a shoe bakery style shoe with these ones. I think they would be great for that. Okay, this pair here I got from eBay, again with the intention to DIY, and I think that this is another awesome pair to do a shoe bakery style shoe with. I wanted to do like a whole series with the shoe bakery style shoes, so I think I just bought several pairs that would be good candidates for that style shoe, and this one falls into that category. Okay, this pair here came from Chic Shoes, and I think the reason why I need to DIY these is very obvious. The one is like a size 5. I cannot even get my foot in. The other one I think is a size 7, and yes, they sent them to me like they were a pair of shoes that you could wear. I ordered a size 6, guys, and this is what I got. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but yeah, we're going to figure it out. Okay, these ones I love these. I got these at Gabe's, and I think that they are absolutely amazing. Now, the thing is I bought multiple pairs. I turned one into a Steeler shoe, and then I wanted to go ahead and DIY the other pairs that I had, but I also want to keep one in its original style. So I'm going to DIY one and keep one the exact way that it is. Okay, this pair here was also purchased with a DIY in mind. I think I was thinking the shoe bakery style shoes, like doing a fun donut shoe with these ones. But now I think that I'm going to go in a different direction with these. I'm really not 100% sure yet, but it's definitely a huge possibility. So I'm not really sure what the plan is, but we'll figure it out, like I said several times in the video. Now, this pair here is fine the way that it is, except for the fact that the black part is starting to come off. So I'm definitely going to need to do something to the front part of the shoe to make it so that it's wearable and looks nice. But the back part with that maroon corset, I think is super, super cute. I like them. They're fine. They just need some repair. Okay, this was another pair from Chic Shoes where they sent me 2 of the same side shoe. I don't know if they're 2 lefts or 2 rights, doesn't matter. Whatever they are, I definitely need to figure out something for these because I just don't think that they're comfortable to wear with the one being the wrong side or whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. Don't have a plan yet, but again, I'll figure it out. Okay, these ones I started working on it. Obviously, I'm not done. Now, as I started putting these mirror tiles on, I noticed that they were just way too big in parts, so I ended up stopping and ended up starting to pull some of them off. I need to crush these down a little bit more to get this DIY the way that I want it to look, but you guys can see the idea of where I'm going with these. Okay, this pair here, the bottom completely fell off. So I started repairing these, but again, another pair that I didn't finish. I'm going to show you the bottoms where I started adding the soles back in. It's an easy fix to add the sole back in. There's where the sole's off, and the other one was the one that I started to repair. So I will definitely get these fixed so that I can wear them going forward. Okay, these ones I love. I love these. I've worn them to death. And as you can see, they're starting to like have a lot of damage where the black part's coming off, the sole is coming off. There's all kinds of issues with these, but I definitely think that I can fix them so that I can continue to wear them. So you're definitely going to see these in an upcoming DIY. Now, this one I started working on and then I just, I don't know. I just didn't know what I was going to do. I cut the center part out, that elastic part, and then I didn't know what the heck I was going to do after that. So I just stopped. Like I didn't have a plan. I just started cutting with no plan. So I'll figure this one out. Not sure what yet, but yeah, I'll get her done. Now this one is another one that I started working on. I started adding this super cool camo vinyl on the bottom, but I didn't finish it because that one side took me forever. So I just got sick of doing it and I just went ahead and threw them aside and figured that I'll go ahead and pick them back up and finish them at a later time, but you guys can see where I'm going with this particular pair. These ones are really fun too, but as you can see, the sole came off the bottom of one of them and the sole is starting to come off the other one. Again, super easy fix for me to go ahead and put the sole back on the bottoms of these boots, but I do wear them quite often in the winter time when I'm like walking around outside with my son and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put the soles back on and I'll be able to continue wearing them. Okay, so this pair here, you can see that I was starting to go ahead and do like a knockoff Louis Vuitton kind of a shoe. I don't know, guys. I think I just wasn't happy with the way that it was turning out, so I just stopped the DIY altogether. Not sure if I'm going to pick this back up and do the same thing or just do something completely different with them. We'll have to see. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up all the shoes for this video. Next week, I'm going to have more than 25 pairs as well, but we're going to start digging into my extreme shoes, and that is going to be the final video in this series. So can't wait to share that with you guys. Until then, bye! What's up, gorgeous people? I had a bag I was in here, and I think you could hear it, so it's distracting. Try it again. Now, today's video does have a lot more than 25 pairs because I wanted to do all of my DIY shoes all in one video. So I do have 45 pairs of shoes to share with you today, and they were all... What's up? Woo! Try it again. So all of these shoes have something wrong with them, or they were purchased specifically for DIYs. Now, a lot of them, you know, I bought and wore like a lot. And then, you know, I'm getting weeds. No weeds. So that's going to take care of video 19. And then I will have one more video for you guys. That will be video 20. And that is going to have all of my awesome, okay, I think I'm, yeah, no. But almost all the shoes have something wrong with them. So I'm either going to repair them or just totally revamp them and turn them into something that is more my style. So that is going to wrap up the video for today. But no,